BlinkStick is off, but if I run the cell, if I press S on the keyboard, the light goes now red and amber and then green. It stays green for 34 seconds. It will then be amber for 3 seconds. This time was taken from the traffic manual. Now it's solid green for 7 seconds before he heads into the next road. Now Mayfield went red and amber for 2 seconds and now green for 30 seconds. The time for the green lights was taken from the recording I did from the Tucken crossing in King's Building. They are also within the required time stated on the traffic manual. Amber for 3 seconds, now solid red for 3 seconds. Now it hands in the action to Esselman Road. It stays green for 25 seconds. I'm now pressing W on the keyboard. This is a request for crossing. Solid red. And now the crossing, it stays green for 10 seconds as requested in the PDF of the assignment. Black, solid red, black for 3 seconds, and now solid red for 10 seconds. The solid black for 3 seconds is within the from the traffic manual, and the solid red from 10 seconds was from the recording. If I press Q on the keyboard, it will get out of the main loop and turn off the traffic lights. And there you go.